How to sign up for Peacock TV. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you want to sign up for a Peacock TV, you can just launch a Peacock TV application if installed. Or you can even check out the Peacock website. Now in here you will see the option of pick a plan, just click on it. After which, you can tap on Get Premium. You can enter your email address, password and re-enter your password. Make sure that it matches the criteria of your Peacock TV password. Once you are all done, you need to tap on Create Account. To create your profile, start by entering your first name, last name, birth year, zip code and your gender. Then once done, again tap on the Create Account button. Last step is to choose a payment method. I'll be selecting Add Credit or Debit Card. If you have also selected it, you will have to enter the card number, CVV and the expiration date of your credit or debit card. After the payment is successful, you'll be able to get yourself your very own Peacock TV. If you select options such as PayPal, you may have to log in into your PayPal account. By this way, you'll be able to sign up for your Peacock TV. And it is the wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.